Hello friend, welcome to my channel Crypto Knowledge. So guys, I always try to upload cryptocurrency related videos in my channel. So in today's video I'm going to talk about five cryptocurrency exchanging website, those which is the best website for exchanging your cryptocurrency in 2022. So for this I'm simply using this website money.com, as you can see, and I'm actually explaining you. I'll try to explain you the things published on this website. Okay, so here you can see they are talking about our top 5 picks for best crypto exchanges. Okay, so there are 5 websites actually they have suggesting for using in 2022 for exchanging cryptocurrency, and they are the best website. So in our first list, here you can see the first website is actually Coinbase. Okay, so Coinbase, you know probably what is Coinbase actually. As I think, is my personal opinion that Coinbase is actually the best one for exchanging your cryptocurrency. So best for beginners, and this is Coinbase. So here is the points of this website, Coinbase actually. Okay, so here you can see those are the list of points of this, the positive side of this website. Like, this website is very much user-friendly interface. Okay, and educational materials have this site. Okay, wide section of cryptocurrencies. But on the other hand, this website have some cons, some negative side as well. So the very first negative side of this website is higher fees. This website has actually really much higher fees for any kind of exchanging. Okay, and complex fee for structure. So this is, and if you visit this website, I will try to put the link of this website so that you can visit this website and you can learn more about these things, more about this website for understanding better. Okay, so here I'm going to close this website for now, and here is our second website. Okay, and the second one is Binance, obviously Binance.us. So best for low fees. The very first positive side of this website, this exchanging website, is actually it has low fees. Okay, highly affordable trade and conversation fees. Here you can see this is the very first positive side of this website, and high speed trade executions, obviously advanced charting and data graphs. This website have advanced charting and data graphs as well. So obviously, on the other hand, this website also have some cons, and you can see there are some cons listed on this article. Okay, so limited coin variety compared to its international versions. Okay, not supported in all US states. Okay, so this website is actually limited for some states of United States of America. Okay, so that was our second list on this video, the 5 top cryptocurrency exchanging website. Okay, so why we choose this website, or you can actually say my opinion. Okay, in my opinion, the Binance is the best crypto exchange for low fees because it features one of the most generous fee structures across all the trading platforms we consider it. Actually, it is. This website have much lower fees for exchanging any kind of cryptocurrencies. Okay, so now we will look for our third one. So the third one is Crypto.com. Okay, best for security. Okay, our previous one was actually best for they have very low minimum exchanging fees. But in that case, the third one is best for security. This website, Crypto.com, will provide you the best security. Okay, outstanding cyber security infrastructures. Okay, low fees if your account is funded with cash transfers. So they will cut you actually very low fees if you fund your account from cash transfer. Okay, large section of crypto assets. This website have a very large sections of crypto assets. So the same way, on the other hand, this website also have some cons, some negative side, expensive credit and debit purchases. If you want to purchase from your debit or credit card, that will be a little bit expensive for you actually. But this website is guarantee you the best security available in the market right now. Best cyber security available in the market right now. So if you're interested, you can check this website as well. Okay. So if you visit this website, you can read yourself that why actually people choosing this website and why they put this website in number 3 positions. Okay. So that is some basic information about our third website. Now we are going to our fourth one, and the fourth one is BlockFi. BlockFi is best for earning interests. Okay, if you invest your money in cryptocurrency, then BlockFi, this website will provide you the best interest against your deposit. Okay, so earn monthly interest payments on your cryptocurrencies. US based and regulated and institutionally backed. That means the other one is no commissions or monthly account fees. So other hand, this website have some negative side, some cons also. Available products vary widely from state to state. Interest accounts have limited free withdrawals. That means you actually can't withdraw your money completely free. They will charge some money for you if you want to withdraw your money from this website. Okay, but the best side of the best side of this website is this website will provide you the maximum interest against your crypto deposit. Okay, so let's check our last and final number 5 website. This is Bisq. Bisq is the best decentralized exchange. This is the best decentralized cryptocurrency exchanger, which is Bisq. This website has some cons, as you can see, some positive side, and also it has some negative side as well. So the wide variety of payment methods, this website have a wide variety of payment methods. Okay, short verification process. So sometimes it happens when someone actually trying to open a cryptocurrency wallet or a cryptocurrency, so it will take a very lengthy verification process. But this website Bisq ensure you that the verification process of this website is very short. Okay, and as well as this website have some cons. So here you can see mobile version only works for notifications. You actually can't visit this website by mobile. Can't use the application. Maybe you can't use the application of this website in your mobile, but you will only get the notifications. Okay, must trade with Bitcoin or Bisq only. You have to trade either with Bitcoin or Bisq only. Okay, so that was all for today, guys, and I hope and believe that this video will help you for providing you some information about your investing on cryptocurrency. And if you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my videos and share this video with your friends and family. I will catch you in the next one. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe.